Hello, this is Derek from Giantlok, India. I'm here to introduce, out of the different available sizes, we have these 4 tools which are quite easily available and quite famous in the market, which are used quite often. So here we have our cable tie tools 703 Plus, which are used for smaller size cable ties. When we look at 703 Plus, it has an ergonomic design, easy to use, a special knob for adjusting, and a whole bracket for hanging purpose or for your storage purpose. Why we call this 703 Plus? Because it comes with an extra blade for replacement. So now we have 2 different tools, 704G and 709. Both are used for bigger sizes of cable ties, which is by width we are talking about 7.6 mm to 9 mm. Now if you see at these 2 cable tie tools, the design almost exactly the same, and they are also used for the same size of cable ties to cut. But if you look carefully, 2 different specifics of these 2 tools is, one is having a tool for cutting, for using your fingers, one is automatically cut, and then there is a tensioning tool which is available for adjustments in this one, in 709, but not in 704G. So now here we have is our 705 tool, which is used for stainless steel cable ties. This has a gun-shaped design, also having a knob for tensioning purpose and a pivot hanger, which can be used for hanging or for your storage solution. We recommend using these cable tie tools for stainless steel purpose because these are used in a harsh environment and outdoor use. So today we introduced few options of Giantlok tools which has its own application usage. Please select the tool for efficiency of work with twice the result and half the effort. If you're still not sure which to use for your purpose, please feel free to contact us and we'll see you next time.